Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Open up your legs. Okay, so let's do some squatting. You can keep your toes open. Hands on the front and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Because now, toes touch. And keep hips square. Inhale, bend your knee. Let's take child pose. Chair pose, Bakasana. Keep hips square, sending your hip to the heel, evenly lifting up your toes. And straighten your knee, forward bend. And half up. Okay, now step back. Hey, keep lunge pose. Okay. 1. Breathe for 2. 3, 4, and 5. Now turn toward the center and extend your arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now from here, palms down and arm circle. 4 and 5. Reverse circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now back heel up. Okay, and square hips. And twist your upper body. And even palms together, elbow against outside of your knee. Twisted lunge. And gaze up toward the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look center. Okay, now other side. High lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now open your hip back, heel down, and extend the side angle. 1. Make sure heel to fingertips stretch out, create 1 diagonal straight line. 2. Keep your chest open. Shoulder blades together. Try to create space between ears and shoulder. From here, circle up your arm. 1, 2. Create mobility on the shoulder. 4 and 5. Try to move. Think about arms coming from shoulder blade. Move your shoulder blades, reverse circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now square hips, back heel up. Okay, chest, twist, and palm together. Press against the outside of your knee and twisted lunge. 3, 4, and 5. Look straight, palms down. Step back and plank. Heel to crown 1 line, palm pressing down underneath your shoulder. Engage your core. And wrist gaze slightly forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now sending your hips toward heel. Heel open about the hip distance. Take downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Shavasana. 10 toes widely open. 10 fingers wide open. Press down. Palm back heel down. Knee engage up and use your thighs to lift up your knees. Chest close to the side, tailbone up. Shoulders away from ear to create space. And now, knee open, toes touching, sending your hips to the heel, forehead rest on the mat. Let's take Balasana child pose. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!